In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or empty Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to move everything out of my drive and permanently clear your storage in a safe, intentional way. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account you want to clean up. This is important because the steps you take here apply only to the account you're currently using. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid of 9 dots, often called the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel of Google services. From there, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. If it opens in a new tab, switch to that tab so you're looking at My Drive. Inside My Drive, select all the files and folders you want to remove. If your goal is a full reset, you can select everything. The quickest way is to click in any blank space in the file list and press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. You'll see all items highlighted. Take a moment to scan the list for anything you want to keep. Once we permanently delete, you won't be able to get it back without a backup. With everything selected, click the trash or bin icon in the toolbar at the top. This sends your selected items to the bin, which is a holding area. At this point, your files are not gone forever yet, and they still take up storage. Think of the bin as a safety net that lets you review what you've moved before you commit to deletion. Next, look at the left side panel and click Bin. Here you can review all items you just trashed. If you change your mind about something, you can restore it from this view before emptying. Otherwise, to complete the reset, go to the top right and click Empty Bin. You'll see a confirmation message explaining that this action will permanently remove the items. To finalize, click Delete Forever in the confirmation dialog. This permanently deletes everything in the bin and frees up your storage. Be aware that this can't be undone. If you need copies, back them up before emptying the bin. Also note, items you own that were shared with others will be removed for them too, while items you don't own are simply removed from your drive view. After a large cleanup, it may take a little time for your available storage to update. A quick refresh usually shows the new total. And that's it. Your Google Drive has been fully reset or emptied.